Click on the link below to get price. The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 is an impressive blend of power, design, and practicality, making it a standout choice for both commuting and recreational riding. With its peak 1400W motor, the Ranger 2.0 delivers an exhilarating experience, effortlessly reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour. This level of power is particularly noticeable when tackling hills or navigating through urban environments, where it easily outpaces traditional bicycles. One of the most appealing features of the Ranger 2.0 is its robust build quality. The aluminum alloy frame provides durability while remaining lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. The bike features a 20-inch fat tire design that not only enhances stability but also ensures a smooth ride on various terrains, including gravel, sand, and even snow. This versatility is a significant advantage for riders who enjoy exploring different landscapes. The dual suspension system is another highlight, absorbing shocks effectively and providing comfort over bumpy surfaces. Riders will appreciate the adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, which can be tailored to personal preferences for an optimal riding experience. The inclusion of a bright LED headlight and rear reflectors also enhances safety during night rides. Battery life is critical for any electric bike, and the Ranger 2.0 does not disappoint. With a 48V20Ah removable battery, it offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and modes used. The bike also features multiple riding modes, allowing users to choose between pedal assist and full electric options, catering to varying energy levels and riding preferences. Overall, the Heybike Ranger 2.0 combines speed, comfort, and durability, making it a compelling option for anyone looking to invest in an electric bike. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this bike promises a thrilling ride without compromising on practicality or safety, making it a worthy consideration for both novice and experienced riders alike.